Hello, Mr. Blacksmith.
How you doing? That's one of the anvils we'll work off of. We had a fire in the old blacksmith shop. We hadn't got any stumps back in yet. We just built this one back last year. Got some of the stuff back in here. A lot of it's been added. Cone anvils and swedge blocks are hard to find. You can find anvils, but it's hard to find anvils that are in good shape.
This blower here is one that you don't have to turn by hand. Kind of explain that to us.
Well, it's extremely rare. If you could see on this label here, it says Champion Blower and Forge Company. It's original equipment, same way with this switch. The switch is what people leave and throw away, the variable speed switch. It speeds the motor up and down, slow and fast. The switch is extremely rare. The label on it's Champion Forge too.
Now, how old is that switch?
These are about 1900, 1910, 1920, somewhere in there.
And the switch was originally bought with the blower.
Right.